Welcome back to our channel. Ready to develop your artistry further? Keep watching for a step-by-step guide on how to make your own family tree at home. Making your own family tree is a super fun and interesting way to learn about your family and express your creativity while you're at it. Plus, we've got 2 awesome craft hacks that will help you save time. Keep watching until the end to find out what they are. Now, let's get started. And remember, don't be afraid to ask questions in the comments section. We're happy to help. First, draw an outline of a tree with branches, flowers, birds, and a banner onto your watercolor pad. Cut out your pieces. You may also find it helpful to use a small nail scissors to make cutting out the details easier. Organize your pieces and have them ready for painting. You can find gouache premium artist paint on our site. Simply click on the arrow to get your set. Use a wood or plastic palette for your paints. Add a little bronze and gold gouache colors to your palette. These bold metallic shades will stand out beautifully from the matte background. Use a sponge stamp to cover the tree evenly with bronze gouache. You can also use a brush if you prefer. Use a small brush to paint the leaves gold. Make sure you only get the gold paint on the leaves and not the rest of the tree. Use black to draw a shadow on the ribbon in order to give it dimension. This will give it a 3D effect and make the ribbon more noticeable. Use the same color to write "Family Tree" in a calligraphy style on the banner. Now it's time for the hearts. Color the hearts of the female family members in mauve. For the men in your family, use pearl eucalyptus. Leave the edges uncolored so it looks like each heart has a little frame. For the next step, we'll need to create a white paper mat that will border our black paper and fit inside of our frame. Take your Arteza school glue and apply it to the white mat. Glue your black sheet to the white mat. You can also use a different color for the background if you'd like. You can find the frame used in this video on our site, or if you want a different size, we have frames for that too. Now that everything's painted and finished, start putting all the pieces together. When everything is glued down, use a little 3D fabric paint to color the middle parts of the flowers. These 3D paints are not only great for fabric, they work on a variety of surfaces. Now you can admire your finished tree and display it proudly. As promised, here are some tips that will save you time and make the project easier. Instead of cutting out the tree in one piece, you can cut out the trunk and branches first and then glue on separate leaf pieces. For the hearts, you can print names from your computer, trace them with a pencil, and then go over the names with paint. We hope that you enjoyed this fun tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss our step-by-step guides, time lapses, and inspirational videos. Make sure to click the bell under the video so you'll be the first to know when a new video appears.